don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just heard you found the one you've been looking for. I wish I would have known that wasn't me. Cause even after all this time I still wonder why I can't move on just the way you did so easily. Don't wanna know the kind of dress you're wearing tonight, if he's holding on to you so tight the way I did before. I overdosed, should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame that we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
I just hope you're lying next to somebody who knows how to love you like me. There must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think you might want me to come show up at your door, but I'm just too afraid that I'll be wrong. Don't wanna know if you're looking into her eyes, if she's holding on to you so tight the way I did before. I overdosed, should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a
Všetko to začalo pred 5 rokmi v údolí rieky Topľa, kde sa nevedomí mladí ľudia rozhodli, že budú študovať na hotelovej akadémii. Ako čas plynul, tváre sa menili a rozum ubúdal, nad všetkým týmto dohliadala bohyňa našich známoch Grácová. Po 3 rokoch záhadne zmizla a nahradila ju bohyňa našich ospravedlneniek Sidoriaková. Potom sa začali deť čudné veci, veď pozrite sa sami.
S pani učiteľkou Gracovou.
Pani učiteľka, môžem ísť na vecko, bo zle mi je.
Bari banda a my sám, za kukurko proza babi jazz. A čirčata ročavé, maliceka, mekeke nás.
Statočný, rýchly a smelý, bystrý a verný, to svet o nich vie. Ženú sa lesom a pieseň im velí, medvedia pieseň tu zďaleka znie. Gumkáči, hneď ich spoznáš priamo pri práci, to, čo robia, sa ti zapáči. Už sú tu gumkáči. Do ríše záhad sa vypraví s nimi, iste ti dajú svoj sladký gummy džús. O chvíľu spoznáš ich.
The sun. We were in love with the sun, sipping on coke and rum, my head up in the clouds. But when I look back now, ain't nothing else I would do. When I spent the summer on you, our troubles all on the rise, our troubles all on the rocks, filling our plastic cups down by the riverside. We spent those long hot nights until the sky turned blue. When I spent the summer on you, I spent the summer on you. When I spent the summer on you. Most things in life ain't free, most things in life ain't free, but you were all that I need. My feet down in the sand, you took the watch from my hand and said it's no more use. When I spent the summer on you, we were in love with the sun. We were in love with the sun, sipping a coke and rum. You asked me, are you sure? 'Cause I cannot be returned, and so I made my move. When I spent the summer on you, when I spent the summer on you, and when I look back on those days, there's no...
Ja tam sa za to zrejsť, jak si pôjdem diať. Ale ja si to želám, ja si to zdám. Neviem, si tam stole vidíte a oni za to kričať, ne?
Však oni sa maľujú.
Jak to bol nám, to je jedno. Iba prídeš a kúpiš aj dobre. On ma jedno vidie. Povedzte jedno, ešte raz.
Dievčatá, môžete mi
Ty si čo chcela povedať?
Oni mi hovorili, že sa nemám sviatiť, čo to som chcela povedať, že Konstanti, ale dobre už.
Dievčatá, môžete mi povedať, čo to všetko malo znamenať?
Pani učiteľka, ale môžem sa pýtať niečo ja?
No.
Aké možno, že vy máte superschopnosti?
Ja mám superschopnosti? No tak možno, že je to aj tým. Nie, ešte raz.
Nebola som veselá od soboty večera, lebo